Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our YouTube channel Pathing Knowledge. Today we are going to discuss about hot tapping. Today is a special topic about hot tapping. The basic definition of hot tapping is the hot tapping is the method of making a connection to existing piping without interrupting of the pipe. That means the pipe can continue to be in operation during the maintenance and modification are being done. When while the doing of the modification, that time that pipe are in the operation condition, that work is hot tapping work. If you want to take existing line to a branch, on that during taking a branch your line is continuing in operation, that means you are doing the hot tapping work. That hot tapping work, today I choose the one topic, how to select the hot tap location. Whenever you want to do hot tapping, hot tap location choosing is the important point of the hot tapping. The chosen location on the run pipe shall be checked and verified as suitable for the hot tap connection. Whenever you go for hot tap connection, that need to mandatory the check the considerable the following of the factor as a minimum requirement of the hot tapping. When you go for hot tapping, that 5 or 6 important point you must be checked. Then you select that location where you done the hot tapping. First of all, layout of the branch to be tie in. First of all, layout of the branch, you need to check the layout of the branch be tied, which location you want to do hot tapping, that you find the layout. Second of diameter and overability. When you go for check the pipe, must be check the diameter of the pipe and overability of the pipe, overall overability, because that existing line is the old line. You want to take a branch connection. If anything is damaged from that area, overability damage, diameter not considerable, that time you before the selection of the hot tapping location must be check some points. Pipe wall thickness, first number of layout of branch to be tied in, second number diameter and overability, third number is the pipe wall thickness, fourth number internal and external corrosion. Check the level of internal and external corrosion of the existing pipe. Now the fifth number is defect on the pipe wall. When you go for check, visually check any defect available on the pipe, like lamination, like anything is a defect. Soundless and adjacent weld, that also be check soundness and soundness of the pipe, what type of sound coming during the operation of adjacent weld. Before last weld, where the welding of the condition, weld joint condition at the existing weld joint condition. Internal deposits, what are the internal service of the line, that also need to be checked which service is provided. Now in this location, this is the pipe, removing the external coating of this pipe. Then after that is cleaning very well. After cleaning, he is the checking visually on the top side, visually checking on the top side external surface of the pipe. After external surface, this point he is checking the overability of the pipe. After overability, this point to be checking of the welding condition of the existing joint, overability of the pipe in the both side. Then after that finally you decide from the joint to 300, after that 150. That is the basic calculation. I will explain on the next video how much requirement from existing joint to the that location. Then is select this point to be done of the hot tapping work. After completion of hot tapping, this type of branch connection of the T, then you line modified and that the split T is closed out. This is the final condition after done of the hot tapping job. That is selection, after that installing, after that this blind need to be closed and line route already changed. That is the basic important point when you go for selection of the location where the hot tapping, that point is mandatory to check, like internal corrosion, thickness, like availability, defect on the pipe wall, tops outside wall. This is the important point to be done, checking to be done before the selection of the hot tap location.